Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to welcome you out to Jay's Learning School. Today's topic is the garage. We're going to learn some English words that have to do with the garage, things that you find inside of a garage. So let's get ready for some learning right here on Jay's Learning School. Our first word today, tire. Tire. Now, this is specifically a car tire. Of course, you have other types of tires, but this is a car tire. It could be a truck tire, but this word is said like this: tire. Ladder. Ladder. Things that are placed higher than what you can reach. You use a ladder to get them. And oftentimes people store these either in the garage or in their basement, which is the space up under a house. Ladder. Bicycle or bike. Bicycle or a bike. I have a bicycle, but I haven't gone outside to ride it in probably a year. My wife had me buy her a bicycle. She hadn't rode hers in probably 2-3 years. She begged me for a bike, and I got her one. Bicycle. Wagon. A wagon. You can use a wagon to play with your children, to pull them along, or some people use a wagon when they are in the yard to haul things around. Wagon. Of course, you find this in the garage, a car. A car. Tool chest. Tool chest, or some people call it a tool cabinet. And you keep your tools inside of the tool chest. Pliers. Pliers. Utility knife. Utility knife. Most people use a utility knife to open packages, boxes, to cut wire, string, other type things. Utility knife. Paint. Paint. Of course, you use paint to paint objects, a wall, a floor, a door, a birdhouse, and you would store the paint in the garage. Paint brush. Paintbrush. Level. A level. When you are placing a picture on the wall, you need to make sure that it is level or even. So you would use a level. Hanging your clothes in the closet, you want to make sure when you are installing the clothes hanger where you place the clothes on, you use a level. Extension cord. Extension cord. Hammer. Hammer. Tape measure. Okay, when you need to measure the distance of something, you use a tape measure. Duct tape. Duct tape. You use duct tape on electric wires, on an extension cord. Some people use duct tape to fix things. Duct tape. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. And of course, you have primarily two types, what's called a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Screwdriver. Nails. Nails. If you're building something, you will need nails. Saw. A saw. If you're trying to divide or cut something in half, in thirds, or construct something where you have to shorten the length of an object, especially a wood object, you would use a saw. A drill. Now this is an electric drill where it has a battery, a rechargeable battery that will usually last several months depending on the type of battery that you have and the usage. But the drill you would use to drill holes in a wall, in a floor, or you could use the drill to insert screws into an object. A drill. Pipe. Pipe. And of course you use piping in the home, water pipes, things that have to do with plumbing. Pipe. Storage rack. Storage rack. You will find this in the garage where people place items all around the walls of the garage to store excess items that they have. Storage rack. All right, when it's time to do yard work, you use a rake. A rake. And of course you have plastic rakes, aluminum rakes, but they all do the same thing. They pretty much gather up sticks, leaves, grass, and other debris that's in the yard. A rake. Shovel. Shovel. To dig a hole in the ground, you need a shovel. Hoe. A hoe. Often used in a garden to till the ground. A hoe. Water hose. Water hose. And these come in various lengths, up to at least 100 feet. I know you have some that are 8, 10, and longer, 25, 50 feet. I think I have a 100-foot hose, and you can possibly get them longer. I'm not sure, but I've seen up to 100 feet. Water hose. Bucket. You find this item in the garage when it's time to mop a floor or wash a car or clean something in the house. You put the water in the bucket. And our last word today, English word of an item that we find in a garage, gloves. Gloves. Some people call these mittens, used to keep yourself warm. But often gloves are used when you're ready to do yard work, work in a garden, things of that nature. When you need to protect your hands or keep your hands warm, you would use gloves. And of course, you have different types of gloves. Plastic gloves, like if you're cleaning the house and you're using different type of cleaners that you don't want to irritate your hands, you would use plastic gloves. But nevertheless, gloves are stored in the garage. Well, that's today's lesson. And today we learned about English vocabulary words of items that are found in the garage. I want to thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you join me on my next English lesson right here on Jay's Learning School. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.